Got my new torch here. Over here. Come in here. Down inside there. All right, show them the charcoal over there. And the little fire starters over there.
What happened?
Show them the fire starters. And back up so you can see all the grills.
Are you gonna make this on Instagram?
No, on YouTube so mom and dad can see. Go up inside, like hold it up higher. Point it down, there you go. See, I'm just doing the middle. The inside that I left the air hole right there. So once those are lit, we can just let it burn, and all the other ones, there we go. So all the other ones will burn as well. Alright, so let's alright, back up. Don't put my phone that close to the flame, Joey, or yourself. Hey, don't block it with your hand. You're blocking it with your hand. So back up some. Oh, look. There we go. Alright, so here's the stone. See it?
What is that for?
It blocks the heat. Okay, back up, Joe. You're filming, right? Let's make sure they. So then, look. Here's the grate. So look at this. Film the stone. Show the stone. Show that stone in the grill. See? Okay, and then this. All right. Back up. Show the grill. Don't go sideways. All right. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we cooking? We're cooking you. I'll get you. All right, we'll cook Jack. Hey, we'll cook Jack instead. Come on. Just kidding. No, all right, we're good. Just hanging out.